how to attract members come to you. Besides of you relying on those daily activities where you talk to people, where you engage with them, you chat with them, you go on calls with them, you could create mini systems through which people can come to you, so you sign them into your membership program. So I'll share with you two things. The first one is that if no one can find you online, no one can come to you. So I suggest that you rely heavily on creating content, social media content, for example, YouTube channel content, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram content, where you post, where you put your message out there. That will allow people to find you and see you as an authority because you provide a lot of value to them. And if you put call to actions at the end of those content pieces, they can click or comment and take that next action step, right? I'm saying this to you because if you don't put content out, no one can find you and be attracted to you. That's the first thing that I needed to share with you. Secondly, you would want to have some kind of mini systems in place. When people see your content, they can then take action on their own. For example, first thing that everyone is missing out on is, do you have a link in bio where people check your profile then after seeing your content and they can click on their own? In that bio, you could have a calendar scheduling page or an email list lead magnet giveaway opt-in so people come to your email list. So you see, this is a simple mini system, right? Just link in bio. Then next, if you run a YouTube channel, for example, in the description of the videos, you could be always promoting a lead magnet where people can now click and they land on your email list. And then you could have an automated email sequence written out that's sent to them that allows you to book more calls with them or get them to click on your Skool about page if you're using Skool, right? But you see, if you don't have those kind of mini systems in place, no one can click on your stuff and come to you on their own. Another mini system that I could share with you is, imagine you running a monthly or 2 times per month webinar, free live class to which you invite all of your social media people and they're gonna register for it, they're gonna land on your email list, you're gonna run a webinar class and you could enroll a group of people into your membership program, and those who don't sign immediately, you could still follow up with and book some calls and sign them then, right? So that would be another system that could be in place for you, through which people can kind of go on their own and you sign them then into your program. I have more ideas of these mini systems, for example, existing members referring to you more members. Another one is, for example, having a virtual assistant or a teammate or building a team, or you could run like pay ads or anything like that. So create content, have systems in place, and you can attract people signed into your membership program. For you to build a consistent coaching practice, you will want to start signing people into your membership coaching program offer that's gonna provide you with a part-time and then full-time recurring income. If you would like to take the first steps with your own membership program and build it on Skool app, find the link down below. I have a free course for you and a free community where we support one another on this journey. Find the link down below, study my free course and get yourself going in life. See ya.